Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the OMMO Blender 1800W, a professional-grade powerhouse perfect for all your blending needs. This high-speed countertop blender is equipped with a robust 1800W motor, making it ideal for whipping up everything from protein shakes and smoothies to frozen cocktails with ease. Its hardened ice-crushing stainless steel blades, crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, effortlessly tackle ice, ensuring your drinks are perfectly smooth every time. With variable speed and pulse functions, you have complete control over the texture of your creations, whether you prefer silky smoothies or chunky salsa. The large 60 ounces BPA-free jar holds up to 8 cups, making it perfect for family-sized batches of your favorite drinks. Plus, the unique lid design features a convenient handle for easy opening, and the entire unit is dishwasher-safe, ensuring that cleanup is as simple as the blending process itself. So, if you're looking for a versatile and powerful addition to your kitchen, the OMMO blender is the perfect choice to elevate your culinary creations. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.